Greetings everyone, this is Elizabeth and I am here for my shop today. Just a little run through of a couple of new items in the shop. We have a new class kit. It will be about a 2.5 hour class on July 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern. You will be getting a randomly selected one of these cuties, Sand and More with the whale, or Take Me to the Ocean with the sun at the top. Okay, it's either or, and it's randomly chosen. I'm just grabbing a bag, putting them in because I couldn't get all the same ones. So we're gonna get one of these. You're gonna get little eye hooks. They will be pre-drilled. The hubby and I will be pre-drilling those before they go into the mail. It will have hangers so we can hang it on the wall, and these little guys down here to hang the cuteness little wooden critters. We have a seahorse, a starfish, an anchor, a turtle, a whale, isn't he cute? And a sailboat. You will get all 6 of these. All of these are same in every kit. You get 6 individual items, 1 randomly chosen sign, enough eyelets to do the product. You will be getting some glue. This is foil adhesive, so we're getting a little jar of that. We're getting the string, a couple of short, a couple of long, so we can put these together and dangle. It'll be cute. And if this is not your cup of tea, but you think, oh, I have a friend that would love that, and you want to make it for them, we're also making a card to go with it. And to do the card, we've got 2 pieces of ribbon to choose from. You'll get both pieces. So during the class, you get to choose which one you want to use. You will be getting a randomly selected blue piece of paper that will be on the cover of your card. And you will be getting this seahorse set that I made. I'm so excited. I think it turned out super cute. So you're going to get the seahorses. The seahorses, you guys, will have some residue on them. I had to fight and fight. It is just pixie spray. I've cleaned quite a few of them. Some of them, like this one, I need to do a better job. But so they may come with some residue of pixie spray because I had to keep it to the mat. But yeah, so you'll get the stencil and the mask, the piece of paper and a card base, and an envelope to put everything in. And they will be random envelopes. Some will be white, some will be blue, some will be brown. I'm just getting my stash of envelopes out of there. And then if you notice, we have some foil. Now the foil, that glue, the foil and the glue, we're going to do one of the items in the blue and one of the items in the green. And there's probably enough green. You could probably squeeze 2. But that is going to be in your kit as well. So you're getting quite a bit in your kit, plus my time for $25. That is in my shop. It is a $7 shipping in the US. Unfortunately, Canada is the only out of country that I can mail to right now. And that's even if you guys want to, because it's going to be like 20. Oh, did I write it down? $20 or $23. It's expensive. And I'm going to look into like if I can get it cheaperly mailed, if it's for friends and family or a gift instead of purchase product. Ugh, so frustrating. But if you're in Canada and you want to hang out with us, I do have a few other options right now, and this is for anybody, okay? So if you like the ribbon, I have 5-piece ribbon also in the shop. You get 5 little pieces. We have Meet Me by the Sea, some lighthouses, some seahorses in coral, and Life is Better at the Shore. You get a little cluster of these. Honestly, I don't remember what I marked them as, but they're all 6 inches, at least 6 inches, so that you can easily adorn your A2 size card. So there's 20 of these available. These would just ship in a little envelope. So the pricing to ship these, if you just want a little cluster, is gonna be just the postage of a regular envelope. So $1.45 for Canada, and what is it, 65 cents for US. Also in the shop, we have twine. We have lots of twine in the shop. No, just joking. What we do have in the shop are some extra turtles. They're 33 cents a piece. We have some extra whales. All of these guys are 33 cents a piece. And one last one. I don't know what I was doing. I was buying a lot of wooden shapes. And there's a plethora of them. They are 33 cents a piece. You will be getting the original twine that goes with them. The kit has longer twine for that I had to cut up. But yeah, there's 10 of these. There's 10 of each item in the shop at 33 cents a piece. The pricing in the shop for shipping is a little wonky because I couldn't figure out how to place it so that if somebody bought like 10 of them, you know, I need to put it in a bubble mailer, and it's going to cost $7 in the US to mail a small bubble mailer with like 10 of these, right? So if you only buy one, okay, I will be refunding about, what is it? In the US, $6 and some change for the shipping, because I will be just putting one little guy wrapped in a little piece of paper and ship him through the regular post. Okay, that's how one is getting shipped. If you just buy a couple, I'll wrap them and put them in a small piece of homemade bubble mailer so they're nice and protected. And again, the shipping will be less than $7. So just know if your shipping is less than $7, and the $7 includes the packaging, it will be refunded. So the shipping plus packaging is what shipping is. So that $7 for the US is like $6 and some change to actually mail it. And then the other cents is for the bubble mailer. So again, we have 10 of each of these little guys, 33 cents in the shop. And then we have 7, take that back, one's already claimed. We have 6 spots of class in the shop available with this lovely little kit. And I'm excited to work with you guys on this. It's going to be fun. And again, we have 5 pieces of ribbon in the shop. And I almost forgot, I have extra of the seahorses. Right now, I have 5 extra. But if you guys see that it's sold out, message me and I can cut some more. So I was really happy they cut out. So we have extras of these in the shop as well. So yay! Thank you all. I hope you have a great, wonderful day. And if you sign up for the class, I can't wait to have a class with you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.